Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you all. You all are the best. Seriously, you all are the best. Without you all, I wouldn't be here. So thank you all so much. Today I'm going to show you all how to make a turban, and the materials we'll be needing are your scuba fabric, thread and needle, measuring tape, scissors, pins. You can also use pearls for embellishment, and chalk. So I'm going to pick up my fabric and I'll fold it this way, and then after folding it, I'm going to measure. The width of the fabric will be 12 inches, and then the length of the fabric would also be 12 inches. So you have 12 inches as length and 12 inches as width. Don't forget that your fabric is still folded. So I'm just going to cut that part out. So as you can see guys, 12 inches as length and 12 inches as width. This is going to be your turban. So guys, this part that I'm marking right now, I'm going to cut it out, but before doing that, I'll be securing the fabric with pins so that while I cut it out, it doesn't move at all. So I'm going to just mark that part and then cut it out. After doing that, pick up your thread and needle and hand stitch the parts which you've cut out, and try making it look like you're trying to create ruffles the way you can see me do in this video. Just gather the fabric together at the edge like that. Once you're done, you want to secure this properly by knotting it. So this is what your turban should look like. I will be placing it on top of my mannequin head so that you guys can see what it should be. So guys, I'm going to pick up my fabric again and cut out a part, but this is going to be in the shape of a circle. You have to first mark a part and then measure the circumference, and I'll be doing that so that you guys can have a proper knowledge of the measurement that I used. So as you can see guys, I got 20 inches. So the measurement for this circle is 20 inches. So guys, I'm going to mark the circle in a spiral form the way you can see me do in this video. As we proceed, you're going to know what that is meant for. So I'm still going to cut out another fabric again guys, and then fold it into two the way you can see me do in the video. And then after folding it into two, I'll be showing you guys the measurement that I used for this. So the width of this is 45 inches, and then the length that I used for this is 6 inches. 45 inches and 6 inches for length, and I'll be cutting that at the middle. Just going to cut out that part at the middle. So guys, once you're done cutting, for you to have a longer fabric, you have to join the fabric by the edge so that your width will be 90 inches and then your length of the fabric will be 6 inches. But after doing that, I'm still going to fold the fabric into two, the way you can see me doing in this video. Fold the fabric into two and then cut it out, mark out a part by the edge and then cut it out like this. And I'll be doing this on both sides. So guys, I'm going to pick up the fabric which we just cut, which is the 90 inches fabric, and I'll place it on top the circle we cut. And remember that the circumference of the circle we got was 20 inches, and I'll try forming a rosette on the circle. So I'll be going around with this lengthy fabric on top the circle in a spiral manner. Remember the mark, the line we made on top the circle. I'm just going to follow that line, and while following it, I'm going to be creating my pleats. So you have to create your pleats all the way until you reach the middle of the line that you created. So this is going to form a rosette. It is important that before taking your rosette to your machine, you use a lot of pins just to secure it properly and so that it doesn't unravel. So for the middle of the rosette, I'm going to turn it to the back of the fabric at the edge there, and I'm just going to sew the edge. This is because I want a clean work. So I'm going to sew the back of the fabric, and after sewing it, I'll turn it over to the front like this. So I'm just going to stitch my rosette with my machine, but I'll be doing that off camera. So guys, this is what yours should look like. This is what it should look like. And for the middle of the rosette, I'll be hand stitching it so that it comes out really beautiful, because my machine couldn't go into that area, so I'm just going to hand stitch it. So guys, I've marked out a part on my turban. This is where I want my rosette to be. It's important that before you place your rosette on your turban, you put the turban on your head first and then mark out a part so that you can decide where the rosette will face. I'm going to embellish this rosette with my pearls. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and also comment in the comment section. If you were also able to make your turban, please don't forget to send me a DM or Instagram at Lizzie's Touch. I would really love to see your work. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you'll be the first to know. I'm also going to place this turban on my head so that you guys can see how beautiful it came out.